How to enable or disable set motion smoothness to standard on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down and tap on device care. Now in here, tap on battery. Then tap on the power saving, tap on the left hand side panel. Now in here, scroll down, then tap on set motion smoothness to standard. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here say to turn off this feature, we need to turn off limit CPU speed to 70%. And that's it. Here I can tap on it to turn it on or off now. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.